This one cell swallowed another, and it changed everything. Imagine you're in a microscopic world billions of years ago. Tiny cells float around, swimming, dividing, and consuming their surroundings. Suddenly, one cell engulfs another. This time, however, instead of being digested, the engulfed cell begins to coexist within its host, thriving and contributing to the survival of both organisms. This pivotal event marks a significant evolutionary leap, setting the stage for complex life forms by establishing an early symbiotic relationship between different cellular entities. You're looking at the moment a new kind of life began. When cells first appeared on Earth, they were simple bags of chemicals floating in the ancient seas. Some of these early cells could engulf and digest other cells to obtain nutrients, while others evolved to survive being engulfed by becoming symbiotic partners. In this case, instead of dying, a cell that was engulfed managed to establish itself within its host, contributing to both their survival and evolution. This pivotal moment gave rise to complex cells with organelles like mitochondria and chloroplasts, which are now essential components in the cells of plants, animals, fungi, and many other eukaryotic organisms. This is the birth of a symbiosis so powerful that it continues to shape life as we know it today. The engulfed cell doesn't merely survive in its new host. It integrates into its cellular machinery, becoming an indispensable component. Everything you know about complex life starts right here. It's the moment when one cell engulfed another and kept it, forever changing the capabilities of life. This event marked the beginning of endosymbiosis, leading to the development of organelles like mitochondria and chloroplasts, which are essential for the function of eukaryotic cells. The host cell is like a swimming bag containing all the usual cellular components: DNA, proteins, and membrane. The engulfed cell also has its own DNA and enzymes that help it break down food. When it gets inside the host, something remarkable happens. Instead of being digested, this smaller cell begins to coexist and cooperate with its new home, leading to a symbiotic relationship where both cells benefit. How does this happen? Well, it's not a planned event. Rather, it's an accidental occurrence with profound consequences. One cell engulfs another by chance, but over time, the engulfed cell evolves to occupy a cozy niche within its new host, contributing significantly to the host cell's survival and flourishing in ways never before seen. This is the origin of the mitochondria, the powerhouses within our cells. Every time you breathe or move your arm, you're using energy produced by these tiny organelles, which were once independent bacteria that got engulfed by a larger cell billions of years ago and never left. Subject, the single cell that swallowed another and never let go. It's hard to picture, but imagine a microscopic drama playing out over billions of years. A cell that was about to be lunch transformed into an indispensable partner. The host cell benefits so much from the help it receives from the engulfed one that they can no longer survive without each other. This symbiotic relationship gave rise to complex cells with nuclei and organelles, fundamentally shaping the evolution of life on Earth. So here's what happened. A host cell engulfed another and kept it inside. Over time, the two cells began to function more like a team than separate entities. They started to share resources, their genetic material became intertwined, and eventually, they merged so completely that you can't distinguish where one begins and the other ends. This symbiotic relationship was crucial in the evolution of complex cells with organelles like mitochondria and chloroplasts. This is how life evolved from simple single cells into complex multicellular organisms. Around 2 billion years ago, one type of single-celled organism engulfed another and formed a symbiotic relationship that became permanent. This event led to the creation of eukaryotic cells, cells with a nucleus and other membrane-bound organelles. Your muscles, brain, and immune system all rely on the complexity made possible by this ancient act of cellular engulfment, which marks one of the most significant evolutionary leaps in the history of life on Earth. Now imagine you're looking through a microscope at an ancient eukaryotic cell. Inside, you see a smaller prokaryote busy producing energy in the form of ATP for both itself and its host. The host cell has become so dependent on this symbiotic relationship that it can no longer survive without the energy-producing capabilities of its passenger. This fundamental event led to the evolution of mitochondria, powering life as we know it today. This symbiosis is more than just a clever survival trick. It's the foundation of every complex life form on Earth today. Every plant and animal you see contains these tiny powerhouses, all thanks to an ancient cell that engulfed another cell long ago and formed a permanent partnership. This event, known as endosymbiosis, led to the development of mitochondria in eukaryotic cells, providing the energy necessary for the evolution of complex life forms. You can't overstate how revolutionary this moment was. It's not just a change in biology. It marks the beginning of a whole new era of complex life. Imagine a time when cells were still simple and independent. This event transformed everything, leading to the emergence of eukaryotic cells with their intricate structures and capabilities. But here's the twist. Scientists used to think that the engulfed cell completely took over, but recent evidence suggests something even more amazing happened. The two cells didn't just merge. They evolved in a symbiotic relationship that made both stronger. This partnership allowed them to develop new capabilities and adapt more effectively to their environment. So when you look at yourself in the mirror, remember this. The cells inside your body are actually teams of ancient partners that have been working together for over 1 billion years. This cooperative relationship began with one cell engulfing another, leading to the complex, interconnected cellular societies we see today in all living organisms. Now think about it. Every cell in your body contains tiny powerhouses called mitochondria, which are descendants of ancient bacteria that were engulfed by larger cells billions of years ago. Every time you move a finger or take a breath, you're using energy made by these once independent cells, now integrated into the very fabric of life itself. This is why everything matters. The fusion of a single cell with another, occurring in a remote part of an ancient ocean, sparked the evolution of complex life as we know it today. You're walking proof of this remarkable event, which laid the foundation for all multicellular organisms on Earth. But here's a mind-blowing fact. Not just your cells, but also those of plants and animals, including fungi, owe their complex structure to this ancient event. A single cell engulfing another and forming a symbiotic relationship set the stage for the evolution of all eukaryotic life on Earth. Now think about it again. You're looking at yourself, knowing that every cell contains evidence of an ancient symbiotic relationship. Billions of years ago, one single-celled organism engulfed another, and they never separated, leading to the complex cells, eukaryotes, that make up your body today. It's like holding a piece of evolutionary history in your hand. This moment was so pivotal because it allowed life to evolve from basic simplicity into complex multicellular organisms. Without this act, we would still consist of only single-celled entities, with no development of the diverse and intricate forms of life that exist today. But here's the kicker. Scientists are finding more and more evidence suggesting that similar events happened multiple times throughout Earth's history. It's not just one cell engulfing another. It's a recurring pattern of endosymbiotic relationships that have led to incredible biological diversity. So when you look at life today, whether in yourself or any other complex organism, remember this. Every breath, every thought, is a testament to the moment billions of years ago when one single-celled organism engulfed another and never let go. This event, known as endosymbiosis, gave rise to cells with mitochondria and chloroplasts, fundamentally changing the course of evolution. You're the result of this profound act that has shaped all complex life on Earth. And as we delve deeper into our evolutionary past, we continue to uncover remarkable instances of symbiosis. These discoveries reveal layers of complexity in the evolution of life that surpass previous understanding. One such fascinating event is the endosymbiotic theory. which explains how ancient single-celled organisms engulfed other cells and formed a mutually beneficial relationship, leading to the development of complex organelles like mitochondria and chloroplasts within eukaryotic cells. Each new finding challenges our comprehension of life's origins and evolution, revealing a history far more intricate than once imagined. Think about this. The cells inside your body are the result of ancient partnerships formed over billions of years. Each breath you take involves mitochondria, which were once free-living bacteria engulfed by an ancestral cell. Can you believe it? But here's the real kicker. Scientists are uncovering evidence that such events occurred not just in one location, but worldwide. It's like life had multiple opportunities to evolve greater complexity through these symbiotic mergers. So when you look at yourself or any complex organism, remember this incredible moment that happened billions of years ago. An ancient cell engulfed another, and they never let go, forming the first eukaryotic cell. This symbiotic relationship was so powerful it reshaped everything we know about life itself, giving rise to the complexity found in every plant, animal, fungus, and protist on Earth today. Now let me ask you, do you still think cells are just simple bags floating around? No way. We've got ancient partnerships at the heart of every living thing on Earth today, starting with a groundbreaking moment in our evolutionary history when one cell engulfed another and refused to let go. This symbiotic event led to the creation of complex organelles like mitochondria and chloroplasts, essential components that power life as we know it. So here's your takeaway. Look in the mirror and know you're a walking testament to this incredible act of symbiosis. Your cells contain ancient partners who have been working together for billions of years, creating the complexity that defines life as we know it today. Can you imagine? You're the living proof of an event so pivotal it changed everything. Billions of years ago, a single cell engulfed another and never let go, giving rise to the intricate cellular machinery within your body. Think about it. When you see plants or animals, remember they all owe their complex cellular structures to endosymbiosis, the process where one cell engulfed another and formed a symbiotic relationship. It's like every breath you take is a reminder that life can create incredible complexity through cooperation. So next time you look at yourself in the mirror, know that you're looking at a living tribute to one of the most pivotal events in the history of life on Earth. Every cell in your body bears witness to an ancient moment when one single-celled organism engulfed another and formed a symbiotic relationship that has persisted for billions of years. This event gave rise to complex cells with organelles, leading to the diverse array of multicellular organisms that exist today, including you. Think about that claw. Think about being pinned by it. Imagine looking at a flower or a tree. Every leaf, stem, and petal is a direct descendant of an ancient cell merger. The chloroplasts inside plant cells, which are essential for photosynthesis, were once free-living bacteria that became integrated into their host cells. And you know what? Your own mitochondria, the powerhouses of your cells, have a similar origin story. Both chloroplasts and mitochondria were originally independent prokaryotic organisms that formed symbiotic relationships with early eukaryotic cells, becoming essential components for life as we know it today. So when you feel your heart beating or your muscles moving, remember it's thanks to ancient microbes who merged and never separated. Every single one of your body's functions relies on this symbiotic relationship that began billions of years ago. It's like every cell in your body is a tiny city where different organelles work together seamlessly to keep everything running smoothly. Next time you're out for a walk, look down at the ground covered in lush green grass or towering skyscrapers built by humans using advanced technology. Every bit of it stems from the evolutionary innovations that began with ancient single-celled organisms. This isn't just about biology. It's about understanding how the world around us came to be shaped by these fundamental evolutionary events. Imagine the pivotal moment billions of years ago when one cell engulfed another, marking the beginning of complex life. This event led to the evolution of eukaryotic cells, cells with a nucleus, and paved the way for all the diverse life forms we see today.